Zealand, check out what this bloke wants to do to cats.
Economist Gareth Morgan has initiated a website called Cats to Go. He wants people to consider making their current cat their last one. Morgan states, that little ball of fluff you own is a natural-born killer.
He wants to rid the world of cats. Some people have started already. It's insane. Imagine a world without cats. It doesn't bear thinking about.
Damn straight.